So, it's a few weeks to your wedding day and you're almost at the end of your wedding planning, but you're starting to feel overwhelmed. Your wedding invitation RSVPs are pouring in. Everyone is starting to reach out to you for questions about the big day. Your wedding reception venue and all your other vendors are reaching out to you for all the wedding day details and requesting final payments. You're wondering how the wedding day activities will be planned out, and you know that you need help. But you don't want to place the burden on any close family or friends because you don't want to burn any bridges. And on top of all of this, you most likely have a full-time job that you can't dismiss. Well, guess what? You don't have to worry because we have good news for you. So, what if you could invest in someone who knew exactly what you needed done on your wedding day so that while you are busy getting ready for your nuptials, everything you and your fiancé wished plus more will be carried out on your behalf? Ronnie and her team of experienced wedding coordinators from Utterly Elegant Weddings are here to assist you with your last-minute wedding plans. We will relieve you of your stress levels and lead you to a perfect finish. Here's an idea of what we will do. We will start working with you a few weeks before your big day. Meet with you and your fiancé to understand where you are with your wedding plans. Conduct a walkthrough of your venue so we can easily maneuver around and show your guests to where they need to go during the wedding. Did you know that most wedding venues will give your vendors about 2 to 3 hours setup time, which really isn't a whole lot of time, especially if these vendors are not organized properly and have a central point person to go to for questions. That's when we come into the picture. We will contact and organize each of your vendors, whether it's your DJ, music band, wedding transportation company, furniture rental company, photographer, videographer, bakery, and others prior to the wedding day, so there is no confusion during setup. We will use our effective system to create a detailed timeline for the wedding day and help you with any last-minute to-dos, such as coordinating the wedding rehearsal and offering any last-minute wedding planning guidance you will need. And because we know unexpected issues always come up on your wedding day, we will be with you for at least 8 hours to ensure we help with setup and breakdown to ensure a smooth wedding day production. So, visit our website and click on the Services tab for more information. Call 732-640-5560 or email us at veronica@utterlyelegant.com for more information. We will be honored to make your wedding day drama and stress-free while you sit tight and enjoy the party. Brought to you by Utterly Elegant Weddings and Events. www.utterlyelegant.com 732-640-5560